What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Brandon, aka Be the Marketing Dude, with another video for y'all, giving y'all massive level online game. And man, I wanted to talk about SurveyJunkies today, right? And so I think there's a misconception, right? I'm pretty sure that a lot of people right now are searching for SurveyJunkies.co, trying to find information to see if they pay out, to see if it's legit, right? And so what people are finding is they're finding another website. And so it's starting to look real confusing because of that. I mean, even the logos, look pretty similar. So I want to show y'all something really quick. I'm going to pull it up on my computer and I'm going to share something with you guys so you guys can do really legit research and know what you're looking at, because I've seen the differences. So give me a second. So here we have SurveyJunkie.com right now. SurveyJunkie.com has been around for some years. If you actually do research on this website, as you can see, SurveyJunkie.com, right? You can do research on this website, and it's actually legit, right? You can find a lot of information on it. It's been around for some years. People have been cashing out for years. Do you make a lot of money? Not so much money, right? You can make, a couple of points for referring people, and then you make points for doing surveys. But each point is like a cent. So if I do this survey right here, that's about 50 cents that I'm making. So, I think it started the survey. I didn't want to do that yet. So I'll do that in a little bit, right? So I want y'all to understand that each point is 1 cent. So if you do a survey for 50 points, that's 50 cents. So can you make money doing this? Yes. Is the money a lot? Not really. You got to put in a lot of time, do a lot of surveys to really cash out big. And I mean, it's a good way to make some extra cash money and then maybe use that money to reinvest into another program online that could pay you a little bit more. Now, SurveyJunkies.co is a completely different company. As you see, it's SurveyJunkies with an S.co. That's not the same website. As you guys can see, that logo looks very similar to this logo. You guys see the similarities? SurveyJunkies, SurveyJunkie, right? And so these websites are not the same. SurveyJunkie does pay out. SurveyJunkies, hey man, it's the verdict is still out there. I'm not sure if they pay out or not. This is what I did when I was referring the program. I got 100-something clicks, 10 referrals, did 12 tasks, came out to about 1,100. If I scroll down here, you can see payments. Let me see, and you see they are pending, right? But they also are about 30 days out. So I mean, I won't know for sure until about January 15th if they actually do pay out. There's a couple of things that worry me, and I'm going to kind of go over those so you guys can understand why I'm weary, right? And so the couple of things that worry me is there's no disclaimers on the website. No disclaimers about making money or anything. And you cannot have, the FTC will not allow a website to stay around for a very long time if there's no disclaimers, especially income disclaimers, especially for amounts this high, you guys. So I just want you guys to understand that. So no disclaimers. The second thing that worries me is this right here. It says, warning, when confirming payments, if our team finds any fake referrals, clicks, your account will be banned and your payment will not be approved, right? And then it has fraud policy here, and it looks like a website that you could click, right? But when you click it, it doesn't go to anything. There's not an actual fraud policy on this website. So, you guys can make your own judgment on that. Like I said, I did the work, put it in. I was able to cash out and meet their requirements because you do have to have at least 20 clicks, 5 referrals, and I think 10 tasks before you can actually cash out. And so for some people, they might find that difficult. But when you do finally cash out, understand that 30 days is how long you're going to have to wait if they actually pay out. So I'm going to leave it as an if. SurveyJunkie and SurveyJunkies is not the same website. So I just wanted to give y'all guys this quick game to let y'all know the differences between the websites. They are not the same, right? And so understanding when doing your research, hopefully you come across my video so you can understand the difference. And so yeah, if you're doing Survey Junkies, right, you may be in the same position that I'm in, and that position is waiting to see if they actually pay out. And so my advice to you guys is find programs that actually, you know for sure, pay out. Right, I got a couple of programs right below in the description of this bio that for sure pay out for you guys. But you know, it's all up to you on what you want to do and how you want to earn your money online. But just be, just educate yourself on affiliate marketing, referral based marketing, and know that, for any legitimate business to really be out there, there's going to be some type of income disclaimers. There are going to be some type of policies and procedures on their website, right? Or in most cases, unless you're doing like a peer-to-peer digital product based affiliate marketing program where it's, you sell a product and then you get the commission directly, right? So understand that, you guys. I hope you guys got value from this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.